In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Backup. And here, in order to activate Backup to Google Drive, just use this switcher, and from now on it is active. Then just click on Account, and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to do it. So we are connected. Let me refresh it. And now you need to enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address. And click on Next. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on Next. And here you need to read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. So here it is, tap on Accept. And you've just activated Google Backup, and your backup includes app setup data, call history, contacts, device settings, and messages. Tap on OK to finish the whole operation. And that's it. You've just activated Google Backup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.